Let's draw a train, got a favorite railroad, got a favorite locomotive, just let me know. Let's draw a train, get your pencils and pens. Let's draw a train, it's time to begin. But I just came back, I got my orange pen. This one's actually called Pale Vermilion. This is Prismacolor. This one's starting to dry up. They don't make a whole lot of these at the moment. There's Copic makes a very similar pen to this. They make pens, and then here's actually just a ballpoint orange. I'll show you how I use that. And then here's just a black ballpoint pen, and here's even an orange pen. Part of why we're doing Illinois Central is because it's actually not a bad railroad to start practicing, because really the whole cab is orange, and there's not a whole lot of lettering on it. First, let's put the horn on there, and then we're almost ready to start doing the lettering. A lot of engines, it can be a little bit challenging at times to get a good look at horns on engines, and even what's on the top of the cab, because if there's like the 3/4, from photos I've seen of Illinois Central piers, there's some kind of beacon. And the thing about it is depending on if you get it in the late 60s, you get it before the ICG merger, different details can change too. But from here, I'm going to do engine 6007. It's an SD40A, which has the same basic cab as an SD40. Okay, and Illinois Central actually has fairly basic lettering. It doesn't have a lot of twists and turns on it. And see, as I've said before, practicing lettering before you do a lot of the work on the actual engine is always good. That's why we do logos and all kinds of things. Because see, I mean, what did we spend? About 15, less, but 10 minutes here. And meanwhile, as you see, as I've said, the last step of all this basically is putting the 6007 on it before we paint it. And then there's a 6007 in the number board. And then there's a small Illinois Central logo, which the thing about it is, these logos, there we go. And then there's a light right there. Okay. And then we'll pause for